as well. 5 separate families, 5 separate friendships, 5 separate, relationships, and 5 can bring this distraction. Right. This is right. Left friend. Who is coming?
What?
Who is coming? What is peace? Hello? Now.
Because she was talking about the Ashantis, talking about the Ghans, talking about us, the Evers, talking about the Nzima, and she linked it to the slave trade and the fact that we were taken into slavery, yet we met in the Caribbean. Can you hear me? Yeah. So remember that if we are the same, we are from one place, we are from one root, then we have to allow peace. We have to allow peace. Tell your neighbor, allow peace. Allow peace. Allow peace. Allow peace. Tell your neighbor, let us live in peace. Let us live in peace. Then she said something very interesting. She said that they used to call her what? Monkey. They used to call her monkey. And that allowed her to be able to focus on her books and study to become who she is today. So no matter the name somebody is calling you, focus on what you can do and become a good person tomorrow. Is that very good? Yes. Is that a good advice? Yes. So don't allow anybody who calls you Kese to worry you. Anybody who abuses you, don't allow it to worry you. What is important is that You have to learn and become somebody in future. Can we thank her for her advice?
Appreciate the organizers of this program. So let's give them a round of applause. Putting up this program. I happen to be a native of the land, and I can tell you, the Kata America Minya, Mikarajie, but America Minya. Good. Atakoko e won the afiere. Majima bronya o Xornam in abbreviation. Because I can see most of you are young. So I want to just do one simple exercise so that when you go, you will not forget the reason why we are here. Do you want that? Yes. Now, it goes this way. The reason why we are here is because of these three things. Peace. Do you agree? Yes. Love. Do you agree? Yes. Unity. Do you agree? Yes. Class Kennedy. Class 3. I want to simplify this thing for somebody in class 3 so that when you go, you always remember these three things. Are you with me? Yes. Are you with me? Yes. Now, I want you to memorize the abbreviations PLU. I call it PLU. You get it now? Are we making progress? Yes. Are we making progress? Yes. How did I call it? Say it again. She's picking something. Is that not it? Yes. She's picking something. How did I call it? Good. And the P is what? Peace. L is what? Love. U is what? Unity. Love for yourself. Again. Are we making progress here? Yes. Yes. That is good. I think that my background, I come from a socialist party. And anytime I meet young people like this, I always want to encourage them. Just like the ambassador said, you will have to go through the mill to get to the pinnacle where you want to find yourself. Do you agree? Yes. So what you are going through, all of us seated at the high table were once seated in your same position. Do you agree? Yes. Do you agree? Yes. So it means that when you look up to the high table, you should be what? Encouraged. Is that not it? Yes. Are you encouraged? Yes. Do you see our ambassador as an encouragement? Yes. You see our MC as an encouragement? Yes. You see our chairman as an encouragement? Yes. You see Shine as an encouragement? Yes. You see me as an encouragement? Yes. Clap for yourself. I believe some speakers who would also be coming to share some few words. But before I take my seat, I want to tell you that whatever you have ambition to become in future, whatever you desire to become in future, whatever you dream of to become in future is doable. Are you with me? Yes. It is doable. Don't relax yourself. Continue to learn. Continue to take encouragement from your teachers. When your teachers give you assignments, you make sure you what? When it's time for what? Exercise, you what? You participate. Are you with me? Yes. When it's time for examination, you must make sure you give out what? Your best. Are you with me? Yes. Are you doing that? Yes. Are you doing that? Yes. If you're not doing that, Then next time we'll come and inspect your scorecard. Should we do that? Yes. Should we do that? Yes. Should we do that? Yes. How many of you were first last term? Let me see my hands. Those who were first last term, let me see my hands. Wow. Okay, so those who were in the middle, let me see my hands. Oh, in the middle grade, let me see my hands. Okay, so those who were in my scorecard, the bottom, raise your hands, let me see. Let's clap for them. They are the special people. Next time, when we come, I have some surprise for all those people. Clap for them again. So make sure you take your studies what? Seriously. Okay? So that tomorrow you also sit at the high table and serve as what? Motivation for what? Young people like yourself. Thank you very much. So I leave you with the 3-letter words. The first one is what? Peace. Second? Love. Third? Unity. Clap for yourself.
Who are making noise? I'm writing their names in my mind. Next time when I come, I cannot smile with you because you are making noise. Alright? Let's pray.
Afrika vivo no vinyewo me for me ahona mujo me for me ahona mulo me for me ahona mujo Abidjan vivo Kenya vivo Gabon vivo Cameroon vivo, Sierra Leone vivo, Lebanon vivo, Ghana, Wokata, Amade Kavio Mienye, Bleu, Afrika vivo, no vinyewo, me for.